Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on creating and opening projects will provide you with the steps to get started creating a new project or select an existing one, whether it's on your local workstation or up on a globe server. To begin, let us start SIMmetry and look at the splash page. Here we have a couple of options. From the File menu we can create a new project, we can open an existing project from the local workstation, we can open an existing project from the globe server, or we can open a recently opened project from the Recent section. First, let us go through how to create a new project. To create a new project, on the File menu, click New. The Create Project dialog box is displayed. Next, select a terrain source from the following: Fugro Globe MPT, which is a medium to high resolution imagery and elevation data of the entire globe. This MPT size is rather large compared to all the available options here. Next is the default local terrain, medium to high resolution imagery and elevation data of the United States, which is smaller compared to the previous one, which produces faster rendering and file sharing speeds. The last option, which is select an MPT file from your local workstation, this option comes in handy when extracting terrain from a loaded MPT and using it as your project's default terrain source. This process reduces the file size and grants faster rendering speeds. For more information on this topic, please refer to the manual in Chapter 13 Terrain Layer tab. Now let us go through how to open existing projects. To open an existing project from the Work section, on the File menu, click Open and select Open Project from File System and browse through your workstation's directory. Once selected, click Open and your project will be initiated in the application. To open an existing project from the Globe server, on the File menu, click Open and select Open Project from the server. If required, enter your login credentials to access the server. Once entered, click Login and the Server Globe Layers dialog box is displayed. Select the required project and click Open. We went over how to create a new project and open existing projects in our SIMmetry application. This concludes this tutorial. For more information, refer to Chapter 3, Basic Concepts, and SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.